Have you ever wondered what magic happens to turn a simple mixture of flour and water into this beautifully light and airy loaf? It's not magic, it's science. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of yeast, gluten, and fermentation to uncover the secret behind why bread rises. At the heart of it all is a tiny, single-celled organism, yeast. Yeast is alive, and like all living things, it needs to eat. In our dough, the yeast feasts on the sugars present in the flour. This process is called fermentation. As the yeast consumes these sugars, it produces two key byproducts, alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. The alcohol contributes to the flavor of the bread, but the real star of the show for rising is the carbon dioxide gas. This gas gets trapped in the dough, creating all those little air pockets. But how does the gas stay trapped? This is where gluten comes in. Flour contains two proteins, glutenin and gliadin. When you mix flour with water and knead the dough, these proteins bond together to form an elastic, stretchy network called gluten. Think of gluten as a series of tiny, super stretchy balloons. As the yeast produces carbon dioxide gas, the gas inflates these gluten balloons, causing the dough to expand and rise. The more you knead, the stronger the gluten network becomes, allowing the dough to hold more gas and produce a lighter, chewier bread. The final rise, or proof, happens right before baking. The dough continues to expand as the yeast works its magic. When you finally put the bread in the oven, something incredible happens, a final burst of expansion called oven spring. The high heat rapidly increases the activity of the yeast and expands the carbon dioxide gas, giving the loaf its final lift. Then the heat sets the gluten structure, solidifying the bread's shape. So, there you have it. The next time you slice into a fresh loaf, remember it's not just a happy accident. It's a delicious result of yeast, gluten, and the wonderful science of baking. Happy baking!